Yeah.
Trick 33, 3D maneuver gear. Command A1 and A to detect the arrow's landing. B makes you fly. C1 and C2 clean up the tags and arrows. Command A1. Command A1 detects when the arrow hits a wall or the ground. Command A2. Command A2 gives you the move tag as soon as the arrow lands. Command B. Command B pulls the player toward the arrow at high speed. Command C1. C1 removes your move tag once the arrow is gone. Finally, C2 deletes the landed arrow to get you ready for the next shot. Now, just shoot an arrow. Your 3D maneuver gear is complete.